Lesson 1. Starting before you feel ready is sometimes the only way to begin. So, when I first transitioned into the world of fine jewelry, I did not sit down with a multi year corporate strategy or wait for that perfect commercially validated moment. The honest truth is, I didn't wait at all. I was completely engrossed and so mesmerized and consumed by the idea of creation because it came so naturally to my soul. I bypassed the entire analysis paralysis trap that holds most entrepreneurs back. So, most people they sit back before they start. So, the minute I sketched a concept, I made it. The minute I created a physical piece, I put it on and started showing it to people around me. So it was pure passion. I didn't realize it at that time, but without even knowing it, I had launched a business, right? My business. Because people loved what they saw. The market validated me before I even had the time to let imposter syndrome set in. And then I realized right then that the intense clarity that everyone searches for in stillness, it never comes before you begin. Clarity is a consequence of action. It's never a prerequisite for it. So my action came from a place of pure obsession, and that obsession built the baseline of my brand. So if you're waiting for the fear to disappear, or for a perfect blueprint to land on your desk before you take your first step. You will spend your entire life standing on the sidelines. You have to jump right deep in, start showing your work to the world, and trust your absolute ability to figure out the commercial part of it as you move.